today's video guys, unboxing time. So nag-order tayo guys sa TikTok shop guys ng mini speaker with dual microphone guys. So ang SRP niya guys is 275 pesos. Nakakuha tayo guys ng free shipping fee guys. And then very well packed si seller guys. Naka bubble wrap siya guys. So open na natin. At saka guys, ang bilis niya na dumating. 2 days lang guys. Ayun, dumating na siya.
A few moments later.
And guys, unbox na lang siya. This one, as you can see naman guys, meron siyang manual. Lipad na. And then, dalawang mini microphone guys. Cute! And then, meron na siya guys kasamang adapter. And then, ito na po yung mini speaker guys. Check natin kung magana ba. Ayan, kaya natin itong isang microphone. I-connect ba? Low mic test, low mic test. Okay, video siya guys. Kulay black guys yung pinili namin kasi para hindi siya dumihin. Ayan. Tap na natin. Charge natin siya. Inoff natin. May mga ano naman siya dito guys. So guys, thank you for watching. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to your friends. See you in my next vlog guys. God bless you all. Bye!
I got so much motherfucking design on right now.